Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome back to Queen's Kitchen. Today's quick recipe is my ready-made golgappa or pani puri. It says ready to fry. I'm going to show you how to fry it. Just quickly, I'm taking some puris. I've just got it from Indian shop. I've got my medium hot oil all ready to go, and just put some puris in there. You can add some more as well. Okay. All right. Just wait. Just flip them over for few seconds, for 1 to 2 seconds, I think, and that will do a job, I guess. Make sure the oil is medium hot, not too hot, otherwise it will turn brown very quickly. No, I think that is perfect. So try to flip it, and all ready to go. So here we go. Now this is my quick, I think, golgappas ready. Stay tuned for my upcoming recipes. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.